Hello everyone, this is Pagala Ramudu. Now I'm explaining about my project is automated railway crossing system. First problem statement for automated railway crossing gate system. This project explicitly deals with the most common problem, that is traffic and the accidents at the railway crossings. Since gates of the railway crossings are manually operated for the most of the times, gates are kept closed for no reason, which may leads to the road traffic. Moreover, in our country, the accidents at the railway crossings are increased day by day, and the train accidents cause service damage to the life and the property. Here the idea that would automatically control the railway gates and Jensen's method of solving to prevent the traffic jam besides the railway crossings and accidents. We implement this automated railway crossing system, which uses the IR sensors, motor driver, microcontroller, Arduino Uno, LEDs, servo motor, and the buzzer indication to the people. Objectives: provide an automatic railway gate at a level crossing and replacing the gates operated by the gatekeeper to reduce the time for opening and closing the gate, higher reliability as it not subjected to manual errors, provide safety to the road users by reducing the accidents. On the second question, the requirement analysis and develop software requirement specification sheet for automated railway crossing gate system. Introduction: automated railway gate control system is a simple but very useful project which helps in automatically opening and closing the gates. Why? uh, Upon detecting arrival of or departure of the train, in general railway gates are opened or closed manually by the gatekeeper. Then information about arrival of the train for opening and closing of door is received from nearby station, but some railway crossings are totally unmanaged and many railway actions may occur. These unmanaged level crossings, to avoid the human interaction at level crossing completely, we need to automate the process of railway gate control. Purpose: the main purpose to make this project is an automatic railway gate control system reduce the time for which gate remains closed. This time of gates can be employed in an unmanaged level crossings. Here the chances of accidents is higher and reliable operation is required. Scope: an automated railway gate control system is centered on the idea of reducing human involvement for closing and opening the railway gate, which allows and prevents cause on a human from crossing railway track. The railway gate is a cause of many deaths and accidents. Overview: in this project, we are concerned of providing an automated railway gate control at unmanaged level. Crossings replaced by the gates opened by the gatekeeper and also the automatically operated gates. It good then older system with the two things: the reduction of the automatically operated gates. It good then older systems reduction for which the gate is being kept closed and to provide safety to the road users by reducing the accidents that usually occurs due to carelessness of road users and time errors made by the gatekeeper. By employing the automatic railway gate control at the level crossing, the arrival of train is detected by the sensor placed on either side of the gate about 5 km at the level closing. Once the arrival is sensed, the sensed signal is sent to the microcontroller and it checks for possible presence of vehicle between the gate, again using sensors. Subsequently, buzzer indication and light signal is either side provided to the road users indicating the closure of gates. Once no vehicle is sensed in between the gate and motor is activated, and the gate are closed us to avoid the human invention at level crossing completely. We need to automate the process of railway gate control functional requirements. This requirement is developed to automate the process of opening and closing the gate at the level crossings. The system detects the arrival and departure of the train for the gate operation using sensors. Interface requirements at Mega 3 to 8P microcontroller is used to reduce the live updates about the availability of trains. Automated railway crossing system increases the safety with each and minimize the risks. Whenever the arrival of the train is detected automatically, the gates may close, and whenever the departure of the train is detected automatically, the gates may open. Performance requirements. uh, Here an Arduino Uno is the base of this circuit, and all the other components are connected to this board. Three IR sensors IR1, IR2 and IR3 are connected to pins 3, 5 and 6 of Arduino Uno. Three LEDs red, yellow and green are connected to pin 11, 12 and 13 respectively. Each of these LEDs are grounded through 1 kilo ohms resistor. A servo motor is connected to pin 9. A buzzer is also connected to at pin 3. When IR1 detects the train coming, it sends a signal to the pin 3. As soon as the Arduino Uno detects a high signal, it raises the signal at pin 11, and the components of connected to the pin shows the output. Non-functional attributes. It defines system attributes such as security, reliability, performance, maintainability, scalability and usability. They serve a constraints of or restrictions on the design of the system across the different backlogs. Maintainability. Human involvement is not required in this automated railway crossing system, and this system can itself operated. Reliability. The system is highly consistent and reliable. Quality. The tools required to build this project must be of excellent quality to operate for a long time. Selecting quality materials is very important to avoid wasting money and avoid the technical problems. Design constraints. The design of the automated railway crossing system includes hardware and software parts. The hardware parts includes IR sensors, servo motor registers, buzzer, LEDs on the Arduino Uno, which works on both software and hardware part. Preliminary schedule. This project has planned to complete within 6 months. It will take 5 to 6 months to complete this project. Requirement specification and analysis 2 to 3 weeks, and design part we need 3 to 4 weeks. And for the coding part, coding with unit testing we need 3 weeks, and for the testing 4 weeks, documentation 3 weeks. Here is the budget. Here is shown in the screen. See here. And next I need to explain about abbreviation. LED means light emitting diode, and Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is an open source microcontroller board based on the microchip Atmega 3 to 8P microcontroller and developed by Arduino CC. The board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits. Servo motor. A servo motor is a rotary trajectory that allows for precise control of angular position. It consists of a motor coupled to sensor for position feedback. It also requires a servo drive to complete the system. A drive uses the feedback sensor to precisely control the rotary position of the motor. IR sensor. Infrared sensor is a rotational sensitive up-down electric component with a specific sensitivity in the infrared wavelength. The range 780 nanometer and 50 meter IR sensors are now widely used in motion detectors, functional oriented diagram, structured chart and data flow diagram. Here is the data structured chart. Structured diagram depicts the static structure of the elements in your system, how the object relates to another. It shows the things in the system, classes, objects, packages and modules, physical nodes, components and interfaces. This is the diagram, structured chart diagram for automated railway crossing system. First we start with the starting with the start and capture from IR sensor and directing motion. This is the structure diagram. IR sensors detects arrival of train. Once it detects a train, it sends signal to Arduino Uno microcontroller. It sends signal to LEDs are switched on for traffic to know the arrival of the train. The buzzer is used to indicate the arrival of the train within a stipulated time. The system also uses a servo motor to operate the gate. The proposed system architecture is shown in the figure. The last laser source and the light detecting sensor work simultaneously to detect obstacles in the path. Here is the data flow diagram. The data flow diagram consists of three levels: zero level data flow diagram and first level data flow diagram and the second level data flow diagram. Here is the first level zero level data flow diagram. DFD level 0 is called as a context diagram. It's a basic overview of the whole system or processing, analyzing or modeled. It's designed to be an at a glance view showing the system as a single high level process with its relationship to external and race. This is the zero level railway gate system DFD diagram and the first level DFD. In the first level DFD, the center in the center automated railway crossing system, the system is here. On the components Arduino Uno IR sensors, LEDs, buzzers, servo motor, microcontroller. Here the main objective of the system and breakdown high level process of zero level DFD into sub process. This is the first level DFD. On the second level DFD in the second level DFD we elaborate how the total data flow takes with the modules to another module. This is the second level data flow diagram. Users view analysis for the automated railway crossing gate system. This is the use case diagram. See here. Automatically railway crossing system detecting motion, sensing signals, receiving signals, activate door motion, gate is open and gets closed. This is the use case diagram of automated railway crossing system. And structural view of automatic railway crossing gate system, class diagram and object diagram. This is the class and object diagram of automated railway crossing system. Here it describes the structure of the system by showing the system's classes and its operations. Operations are description of behavioral or dynamic feature of a class. This is the class and object diagram. Now I'm explaining about components used in the automated railway crossing system. IR sensors. Starting from the arrival of the train, IR sensors detects the motion of the train. While IR sensor is an electronic device that emits the light in order to sense some object of the surroundings. An IR sensor can measure the heat of an object as well as detects the motion. Arduino Uno, the Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the Atmega 328P. It has 14 digital input-output pins. It also contains features of 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator connection, a power jack, an ICSP header, and a reset button. LEDs. In this project, we are using green, red, yellow, 3 LEDs which are connected to Arduino to give signals to the vehicles near the crossing gates. A buzzer, it indicates the alarm by producing sound to inform the vehicles arrival while the train near the crossing gates. Servo motor. Servo motor works on PWM, pulse width modulation principle. Means is its angle of rotation is controlled by the duration of applied pulse to its control pin. In this project, these are used as for opening and closing gates, crossing gates automatically through microcontroller. This is the objective diagram of automated railway crossing system, and this is the state chart diagram. Actually, the state chart diagram is one of the 5 UML diagram, and I use to module the dynamic nature of a system. State chart diagram describes the flow of the control from the state to another state. This is the activity diagram. In our project, in activity diagram approaches a graphical representation of workflow of stepwise activities. Here the activities of automated railway crossing system. Here is the Arduino Uno circuit diagram. We are connected 3 IR sensors and all the buzzers here, and this is the activity diagram for automatic railway crossing system. And the next one is behavioral diagram, sequence collaboration diagram of automatic railway crossing system. This is the sequence diagram and the collaboration diagram. Implementation view diagram, component diagram for automated railway crossing system. Here from the below diagram, components of UML diagram of automated railway crossing system. The components are object component, IR sensor components, Arduino Uno component, microcontroller component, servo motor component. This is the deployment diagram for automated railway crossing system, and at the last we tested the designed system. The first is testing is unit testing. Unit section isolate a section of code and verify its correction. A unit may be an individual function, method, procedure, module, or object. Verify whether the IR sensor correctly sends a signal of arriving and departure of trains. Verify whether the DC motor operates the gates or not. Verify whether the buzzer correctly sends the sound to the railroad crosses. Verify whether the motor driver is correctly working by following the instructions of microcontroller. And then integration testing for this proposed system. Integration testing is the process of testing the interfaces between two software units or module. It's a function on determining the correctness of the interface. Check whether the microcontroller is giving correct information or not. Check the sensor is sending signal when it senses any infrared energy. Check whether the sensor are working properly or not. Then the low level modules are tested, their kit status. motor driver to follow microcontroller and Arduino. You know that the system is working properly, uh, perfectly or not. Thank you for being here, to see my video.